Welcome to Enoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today I'm bringing you a soft, aromatic and perfectly fluffy suji cake. Made with simple ingredients, no oven required. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, crack 1 egg. Whisk together. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now pour in half cup of milk and mix. Suji cake is one of the earliest no-oven bakes in Indian households. It's called rava cake in southern India and loved across all ages. Add 1 cup suji and half cup powdered sugar. Mix it all well and let the batter rest for 10 minutes. The resting time helps suji soak up the moisture, making the cake softer. Now add half cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon cardamom powder. This recipe can be adapted to include cocoa fruit or even coconut. Mix everything thoroughly. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency if needed. Use full-fat milk for a richer flavor and better texture. Grease a 7-inch cake mold with oil and line it with baking paper. Pour the batter in and sprinkle some dry fruits on top. Preheat a pan with a wire stand on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Place the mold inside, cover and cook for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Always preheat your pan to ensure even cooking. Once golden and firm, remove and cool slightly before slicing. Insert a toothpick to check doneness. If it comes out clean, it's ready. Suji is a good source of protein and dietary fiber. Ghee supports digestion and adds a warm, rich flavor. Homemade cakes help avoid preservative found in packaged snacks. Cardamom aids in digestion and adds a refreshing aroma. There you have it, a golden moist suji cake that's light, delicious, made right on the stove top. If you love this recipe, drop a comment and tell us how it turned out. Tag your friends who love simple, eggy, no-oven treats. Follow Enoven Foods for more traditional recipes with a modern twist. Until next time, bake love into every bite.